All right, everybody, totally buenas noches. Welcome to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. Today we are in La Fortuna, down at the Central Square at night. You can see they got a bunch of festivities out, a bunch of light festivities. Very cool, very cool. We're going to be doing a night walkie-talkie tour here in La Fortuna. This is the stop on the way between the Pacific and the Caribbean coast. So this is where I'm spending the night. I drove for far too long and I just needed to take a little nappy. So before we begin walking here, guys, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave a comment as always with your questions, feedback, requests for videos, places you want to see here in Costa Rica. And let's show you guys on the map how to get here from San Jose. So we'll start off with the big picture there of Costa Rica. Zoom in on Alajuela province, SGO Airport in La Fortuna. The route pictured will take you about 3 hours with no traffic. Then we'll zoom in on La Fortuna itself. This is where we're doing the walking tour downtown. Now this is kind of showing the daytime satellite view, but we'll spin it around and show how the town is situated in relation to the volcano right there. Super cool. Cool, and that will bring you right here to La Fortuna. So let's begin this little night walk. So it's almost about 10 p.m. right now, well past my bedtime. I'm a sleepy, sleepy bear. Indeed. We'll check out some of these cool little light fixtures, statues, what have you. Maybe check out some of the restaurants. There's a restaurant right there. They're open. So we're here in December, and it's like a Tuesday night right now. I'm walking into traffic. So you can see, still pretty lively. Still pretty lively. I think the season picks up as the month goes on in December. So there's a gym up there. I'm kind of a gym tourist. That place is open. I just got one of my sody pops over there. One of my little sodies. That's a good hit. That's a good thing to know. What's going on around here? We'll maybe walk through there in a second. We'll go back through. Now, I'm not doing a drone flight because you can't fly drones in Costa Rica at night. So that's the one thing. The one thing. But if you're interested in any of the equipment that I'm using to film this or the backpack I'm wearing right now, I'll put the link on screen for the Amazon store. It'll pop up. You can scan it with your QR code. All the stuff I use is in that store while I'm traveling here in Costa Rica. Very useful stuff. Now down this road, let's cross the street here. Let's cross the street here. Do a little street crossy. There's a bunch of restaurants down there, and I actually stayed at a hostel down there. They had a private room. I don't like do hostels, but you know, if they have private rooms, I'll do them. And it was good, but they were full today. They didn't have space. I think it's called like Happy Place or something. So it's a good hit if you can get in there. There's a lot of restaurants down there. What do we see? Should we walk down there, guys? I mean, I got time. I got time. But kind of don't want to smell any food. That's cool, man. That guy's right living the festivities. So yeah, what do we got? We got sushi. We got massage, man. We got massage. I could always use a massage. That's about as far as I'm going to go here. What else is here? Bunastair. Bunastair? Looks, appears to be a convenience store. Oh, and they got lots of liquor too, so that's good. That's good to know. There you go. So you got sushi, you got ketchup. There's a restaurant called Ketchup. I wonder what they sell. So I'm kind of like fasting right now. I don't want to walk down there and look at food. I decided that I'm going to eat when I get to Puerto Viejo or Limon or something. Somebody left me a comment with a restaurant suggestion. And I thought, you know what, maybe I just won't eat for 3 days and I'll eat when I get down there. That'll be my reward. So I'm right jilted right now. Here's the big tree. They got it all done up nice, that's cool. And there are like security guards in the park right now to keep the riffraff out, I'm sure. So families can enjoy it. That's a good call by the municipality. Now, interestingly enough, I didn't know there was a gym up there. It appears that there's a 2-story gym up there above Chris Market. So I'll have to check that out. What else do we got over here, guys? What else do we got over here? Liquidation outlet that I don't think is open. some more stuff. Let's punch into the park here. See what some of these Christmas lights look like. And guys, I'm just like, I'm gassed from driving. So this morning I left Playa Panama. So check the channel for those videos. We left Playa Panama and then drove up here, checked into the Airbnb. Now we're doing this, and I think the plan is maybe tomorrow to do some more videos in this area before departing. That guy's yelling at something. That guy's angry. I don't know what he's angry about. Maybe he's doing an intermittent fast. So we got a Ford Model T-esque situation. I like it. The guy's still going. I don't know if he's trying to sell French fries or what. It's an aggressive sales approach. What do we got here? What do we got here? Oh, there's a church. There's the church. So we actually have a previous video walking around here during the day. So if you want that, I'll put it in the description below. This is a Christmas tree. Wow. That's just a pleasant tree. And then of course we got to walk through the cylinder of lights. This is great. Lots of people out here taking photos. That's really nice. It's cool. I actually feel like my energy is higher in here. Probably the white lights. I should just hang out in here. There's a little plaza right there. So let's walk this way. Let's walk this way, I guess. I don't know. Let's walk this way. So down one of these streets here, guys, there is the bus station, the municipal bus station. There's a supermarket down there. And I stayed at a hostel down there too, in one of those streets. That's in a previous video too. I've been to La Fortuna a couple times. It's just always such a nice place. The air here is so fresh. What do we got? I kind of want to stay away from that guy. I really just don't want to buy his French fries. It's so funny when people walk by me and they just hear like one part of the conversation, and I'm sure they're just so confused. What is that guy talking about? Church? Take me to church? We looked inside the church last time. It was open. It's very nice, very big. And we're going to go down this way, guys, because when I came down from this direction over here, there was more restaurants and lively stuff and big groups of people. So if you're coming, maybe that's the place to go, down this way. So like this way is the way I came in, down this road here. That's like, I think the main way you'll come in, most likely. If you're coming from San Jose or like the east. And then this road, if you go all the way down that road, you end up in Nuevo Arenal. And actually we have a few, I think we actually have a video driving to the hot springs down there. There's hot springs down that way. There's like free hot springs down that way. This way, the way we're walking. There's a lot of tour companies here. Last time we met a guy here, I think it was this one. He's telling us all about the tours you can do. That's pretty cool. There's the church, nice well-kept grounds. Man, they do a great job. Like, look at how clean it is here. It's so nice in La Fortuna. They do a great job keeping it clean. And so during the day, you can see the volcano like straight down here. But most of the times I've been here, there's been clouds over the volcano, so that sucks. So I'm hoping tomorrow morning, if there's no clouds, if I just see a little break in the clouds, I'll just throw the drone right up and we'll get up there and try to get some nice shots of the volcano. The last video, we got some shots of the area, but there was clouds over the volcano. Okay, so we got a steakhouse here. Oh, there's Buddy. It's kind of like peacocking, I guess. I don't know. Is it? Nice steakhouse. Nice, man. Big. There you go. Man, I could eat some steak right now. Oh my God. I'm halfway through the fast. How many hours is that? I can't math right now. I don't really care. I just know what the end time is. So let's, oh no, the place where I met the tour guide is up here. Oh, that's right. I'm just gonna wander across the road. What do we got down here, guys? Wood-fried pizza, wood-fired pizza. Also can't read. Lava lounge. Okay, we got some lounge situations. So you can see all these lights down here. That's where I saw a lot of people. I guess I should get off the road. Look at these. Nice. Moo-moos. I guess, are they moo-moos? They're open till 10. Wow, man, that's crazy. I guess that tells you how much, like, it makes sense because they're like, if people are coming to La Fortuna, they probably do like tours during the day. And then, so the shops perhaps stay open to take their money at night. We got some public parking over here. What's this place? Supermarket. Oh, there's a supermarket here. Okay, that's good to know. I'm gonna go in there and try to get another sody to hold me over till I go to rack. We got a hostel here, guys. Hostel. There you go. What's this? I can't read that, man. I don't know what that says. I'm sorry, I can't read that. Oh, dang it. We got a barber here. So over here, yeah, this is where there was a lot more going on. Seemingly. We got the police out. So there you go, guys. What's that one? That's a restaurant. Fortuneno. Cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little night walkie-talkie tour here in La Fortuna, Costa Rica. If you did, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Check down below in the description for the rest of the videos in this series. We'll see if I actually make it to the Caribbean side of Costa Rica. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.